That right there is an ultrasonic machine. It's an ultrasonic cleaner. There's a ring in here. Here's the ring. Right now I'm vibrating. The ultrasonic waves are vibrating any debris out from underneath the diamonds or in the ring to clean it. And while I'm doing that, I'm also checking the integrity of the diamond setting to make sure that the diamonds actually stay in. They're not gonna fall out while you're wearing it or something like that. So we're just shaking the heck out of that ring right now with ultrasonic waves. There's a slippery solution in there and ultrasonic waves. Plus it's a little warm. It's like a hot tub for your ring. You could actually see the ultrasonic waves. And I keep it in this net just in case one of the diamonds falls out. I won't have to look for it in this soup. Okay. There's usually a timer. You could set it for up to like 60 minutes. And this controls here the temperature, so you could heat it up. Now I just turned off the ultrasonic machine, nothing vibrating, it's not making that crazy noise. And I pulled the ring out, I put it in here. It looks really good right now. The last step is I'm going to blast it with steam, high pressure steam. This is going to make a loud noise, just to make sure to get all the residue of the solution off. And also one last step to make sure none of the diamonds pop out under this ridiculous pressure. Okay, no diamonds popped out. Just making sure nothing is gonna fall out. It's okay if it falls out now, because I could have put it back in. But we don't want anything falling out while the customer is wearing it, because then it's a whole hassle to come back and set the stone. So if anything's loose, I want to know about it now before I let it go. And one last step, I'm going to look at each one of these again under a loop, and I'm going to try to just wiggle the diamonds around to see if there's anything shifting. I want to make sure that I clamp it down. That's something I did beforehand, and I'm going to do it one more time after all this. And the diamonds look nice and clean. They're very bright. Clean diamonds usually sparkle. You know, if they're a little filthy or greasy or whatever, they don't look good. So they're nice and clean right now because it was in the ultrasonic for 20 minutes.